Hello and welcome to you all to this video. Today I'm going to show you my container garden. This is something new that I'm trying this year and so far I think it has been a success. So let's have a look what I'm growing. So these are the rainbow chard, my favorite, and I love growing these. In winter time I grow these in the garden, but summertime they can't cope the heat in subtropics. Here in this container I've got perpetual spinach. This one here is rescued kale. So that was rescued from the garden. Then in the same bag I have got kangkong or the water spinach, and I had actually planted a few but only one is doing okay. So this is watercress and one of my favorite, and it sits just in the part where it never gets direct sun. This is Fordwood spinach, and they're only about 3 to 4 weeks old, and I think they're just getting ready to be harvested. Some outer leaves, so that I'm planning to harvest some a bit later today. And this one here is Egyptian walking onion, but I haven't got even a single bulb yet, so we'll see. And garlic chives, and I have just transplanted here in this pot. And I've got some asparagus, and some of these are doing really well. So really looking forward to next year. And these are all rescued kale from the main garden, and they're just finding their feet. So I'm trying to recycle all the containers that is available to me so that I don't have to spend money on it. This one here is a little garlic shoot, and I'm gonna transplant that, and I've got some eggplant seedlings getting ready to be transplanted. So I'm going to start harvesting now. So let's see what I can get. So some Fordwood spinach, and I'm gonna get some rainbow chard. So the red and yellow are, they look really nice. All the rainbow chard are lovely, but still I love it. And I've got some broad mustard as well, and this lovely green plant is perpetual spinach, some more rainbow chard, and I'm gonna go and harvest some tomatoes as well. This is from the main garden, so it's not from the container, but I'm gonna get that anyway. And this is all what I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.